Hello, today I'm going to be playing Pokemon Lightning Yellow. Now, it's a remake of the original Game Boy game, Pokemon Yellow. Uh, it, you'll see. Hello there, welcome to the world of Pokemon. My name is Oak. People call me the Pokemon Professor. If you need help, I'm certainly capable of giving it. I'm gonna go with no info. This world is inhabited by creatures called Pokemon. For some, Pokemon are pets. Others use them for fights. Myself, I study Pokemon as a profession. First, what is your name? Well, wait, can I just type this? No, I can't. I'm gonna have to go with Red. Oh. Oh. Right. So your name is Red? Yep. And this is my grandson. He's been your rival since you were a baby. What was his name again? No, don't want to name him Gary. I'm gonna name him Blue. Oh, that wasn't the button I wanted to use. B-L-U-E. Just out of respect for the older games in the manga. That's right, I remember now. His name is Blue. Red, your very own Pokemon legend is about to unfold. A world of dreams and adventure with Pokemon awaits. Let's go! Oh, hold on. Sorry, the controls are a little weird. But there's a movie on the TV. 4 boys are walking on the railroad tracks. I better go too. Alright. I should probably talk to my mom before I leave. Right, all boys leave home someday. It said so on the TV. Prof Oak next door, looking for you. No. This is all wrong. This is supposed to be the house. No. I'm pretty sure he's not going to be at his lab. Because he was never at the lab. Oh. It's a Pokeball with a Pokemon inside. I'm gonna walk into this tall grass. Wait! That was close. Wild Pokemon live in tall grass. Uh-oh. Here's one now. I know what to do. Show me if you know how to capture a Pokemon. Professor Oak alone dread a Weedle. What if I knock this Pikachu out? Everything's kind of off frame a little. Ooh! Sorry, the voice. Fight, Poison Sting. It's a little different than Yellow. Not bad. I kind of want to knock it out just to see what would happen. Should I do it? I'm gonna do it. Don't think I was supposed to do that. You didn't catch the Pokemon. Try again. What? Now we're gonna... I thought the trick was not to be near the Pokemon. Pikachu! Alright. Alright, this time we won't kill it, Weedle. I believe this is version 1.8. No, 0.18. So it's rather new. Oh god, is this gonna kill it? God, if this kills it... Oh, thank God. 40. Gotcha. Pikachu was caught. Wait, did my mouse just show up on the camera? I'm sorry if it did. I'm gonna move it off screen actually. There we go. Would you like to give a nickname to your Pikachu? I think I'll pass. Whew. Pokemon can appear at any time in tall grass. You need your own Pokemon for protection. I know, here, come with me. I'm pretty sure it was an Eevee in that Pokeball. Also, he kind of disappeared whenever he got to the bottom. On the table there's a Pokemon. Pokemon still in his Pokeball. Go on, you can have it. Wait a minute. Gramps, you said I could have a Pokemon. Yes, Blue, but you have to wait your turn. Go on, Red, take it. Didn't I just catch a Pikachu? Hey. I want this Pokemon. Oh, alright. Come here, Red. Oh. Gary move his big butt. I might be able to. You keep the Pikachu you caught earlier. Be careful, though. It isn't tame yet. Wait a minute. Do I already have it? Wait. Guess I do. Hey, let's have a Pokemon battle. How about no? Oh. Rival Blue would like to battle. He looks fabulous. Alright, go, Pikachu. Fight. Doesn't Pikachu learn Tail Whip at level 6? I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm gonna lose. Calling shenanigans. Oh, Pikachu. Sure, if I have to fight me, I'm gonna move. Oh, I forgot to read that one. Sorry. Looks like Pikachu doesn't like being inside the Pokeball. You should keep it out. It'll be much happier. I didn't just get knocked out. Oh, he's so sad. Come on, Pikachu. No need to be sad. Oh, no. Alright, come on. Let's go. Don't take a town map from his sister. Blue's in here at the moment. Have you checked Grandpa's lab? I did, actually. You know, if this Pikachu isn't tame, I don't know what would make it want to follow me. Oh, I was almost home free. Level 2 Pidgey. Do you think we can hack it, Pikachu? I think we can. Oh yeah. Critical hit. Super effective. I wish I could sprint. Oh wait, up here, sir. Ra-ta-da! I hope he changes it so like Pikachu has the same like voice as the others. A level 6 Pidgey. I don't think I'm supposed to be here. Alright. Oh no, Pikachu, you're gonna get knocked out by a little freaking bird. Pidgey fainted. Pikachu gained 47 XP. Second. Oh, I thought he'd level. Oh my goodness. I know I could run, but I want to level up Pikachu. Oh yeah, level 5. My Pikachu will be unstoppable now. Wait a minute, is that an Ipricorn? They have those? Oh, I can already sprint. Viridian City. Full health. We hope to see you again. Oh my god, that morbid. Sorry. Oh, I can't stand in the middle. There we go. You happy? Oh, it's still third. Pikachu. Okay. Hey, you came from Palatown. You know, Professor Arkwright, his order came in. Will you take it to him? Obtain to work the parcel. Put him in the key item pocket. Come on, use your little run. No, 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 no. I'm sorry, that run is just so funny. Can I not take this? Ah. Oh. Guess not. Oh. Path's a little different than the games. Oh no! Go, Pikachu! Oh, you done caught hell now, Pidgey. You messed with the wrong trainer. I got a Pikachu. Oh. You dead. You is dead. He is dead. Alright. Yeah, I guess I'll give it to him. Oh, Red, how is your Pokemon doing? Well, it seems to like you a lot. You must be talented as a Pokemon trainer. What? You have something for me? Red delivered Oak's parcel. Ah, this is custom Pokeball I ordered. Thank you. While you're here, I have a request of you. On the desk of my invention, Pokedex automatically records data on Pokemon you've seen or caught. It's a high-tech encyclopedia. To make a complete guide of all the Pokemon here in the world. That is my dream. Sorry, I'm a little tired. But I'm too old. I can't do it. So I want you to fulfill my dream for me. Get moving. This is a great undertaking in Pokemon history. Oh. Alright. I think that's enough for now. I'll save the game. Pokedex. Oh, I have Weedle also, sorry. Alright, I've been Cody, and this has been Pokemon Lightning Yellow. See you next time.